A wonderful and have a great day, everyone. I am John Roy Marfil Auxiliada, but you can call me Sir John for short. I am 23 years of age and I graduated at University of Southern Mindanao, Kidapawan City Campus, holding a bachelor's degree in education major in social studies. I am a licensed professional teacher, a civil service eligible, and an in situ holder, which is computer system servicing. In addition, I am a volunteer teacher during the National Learning Camp in my alma mater here in the Philippines. Most of all, I want each and every one of you to feel important, listened to, and encouraged to shine your brightest. I am so excited to be part of your learning journey, and I am looking forward to meet all of you soon. Once again, have a great day and God bless everyone.